This tutorial is how to buy a voucher. So first of all, go to CaminoWays.com and scroll down to the link to gift voucher at the bottom of the page. Gift voucher. Now, when you are on the gift voucher page, you must log in. You will have the option to log in. So you log in with your email and your password, and you come to this page. You write who you want to have the name from on the voucher and who you want the email to go to. So Roland buy to Pepe. Select the amount of the voucher that you want to send to your friend. Note that if you want to send it to yourself, just put the to email to your own email, okay? And then put your message. Hi, Pepe. Enjoy your Camino. Accept the terms and put your credit card number. The CVV is the last 3 digits at the back of the card, and click Pay. You will be redirected to the secure page. So you must have your mobile phone ready at hand, and you will receive a text message with a few digits, probably 6 or 8, that you must type here. I click Continue, and I will be redirected to the Camino Ways thank you page. From there, you will receive an email with your voucher, and your friend will also receive an email with the voucher. If you want to go back to your voucher, or if your friend wants to go back to the voucher, you just click on Login, go to your environment, click on My Vouchers, and find your vouchers listed over here with their code. Note that this code is also on the email that is being sent to you, and this code will be used to redeem it on a booking later on. So you keep your voucher and your voucher email safe, and you will have to use this code at a later point, or your friend will also be able to have this voucher number for later use. Thank you.